Hi.
Welcome to Movie Talkies
Thank you.
and congratulations for the amazing trailer. People are really liking it.
Yes, I'm so glad. We're getting fabulous response for the trailer and also.
Good for your attire also. You're looking very pretty today.
Thank you.
Specific reason for the same.
I think all Indian girls look very nice in traditional attire, right? So also I'm a Maharashtrian and I hardly get to wear clothes like this. So yeah.
So was it a part of campaigning?
Yeah, so Shreyas and I had decided during the making of the film that यार इसका जब promotion करेंगे ना हम लोग ऐसे ही जाएंगे हर जगह ऐसे जाएंगे फ्लाइट में भी ऐसे जाएंगे so we have it's working man it's working and how and because normally everybody goes in denims and like you know just regular casual clothes and all that so we thought कि कुछ अलग करते हैं फिल्म थोड़ी अलग है ये भी कुछ अलग करते हैं
आपकी मूवी और आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में थोड़ा सा explain
तो मैं इस फिल्म में सुनंदा मराठे का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हूँ जो तुकाराम मराठे की बाइको है एंड सो शी इज़ अ वेरी शी इज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमन हु इज़ there to support her husband and she will be with her husband through thick and thin, the traditional Indian wife, right? So yeah, so I've gone with Tukaram Rao Sahib Marathe to Agra to claim the land of Taj Mahal, saying this is their ancestral property which was taken away by Shah Jahan from us. So
Share us your shooting experience of the movie. How was it? How fun was it? And of course you were doing a Marathi character which you were very comfortable with. How easy was it and how difficulties were there?
So the director of the film, Ajit Sinha sir, after watching Jaane To Ya Jaane Na, he had approached me for something that he was working on at that time, and he had really liked my work, and he promised me that time after Jaane To Ya Jaane Na that when I make my own first film, I'm going to cast you in it. And I went away saying thank you sir and thinking, hey, sure. You know how it is, you know, like a lot of people say a lot of things, you know, and then you don't believe everything and you normally try to stay realistic about things, you know, people change or whatever. But when he was casting for this film, I got the first call from him and he's like, Manjari, ab main apni pehli picture bana raha hu. I had promised you that time, this is it. I want you to do it. And then I heard the script and the narration and I was, wow, I'm gonna get to play a very different character than what I have played till now, you know, in my career. So I'm very grateful to Ajit ji for having me in this film.
And how was the shooting experience?
Shooting experience was fabulous, like really nice. First of all, ताजमहल देखने हर कोई जाता है, but एक बार देखने के बाद, like you know, they don't get to go every time. वो एक बार specially देखने जाते हैं ताजमहल. If it's done, then it's tick mark in their bucket list, right? Now, हमने, I think I've been one of the very very fortunate people who have been able to see Taj Mahal from a very different perspective. Because हर रोज़ हम लोग 5 बजे सुबह उठ के we used to be on the set. हमारा set कैसा था? अगर if this is Taj Mahal, this is Taj Mahal, this is Yamuna Nadi, and this is our set, which is now called the Taj Mahal location, by the way. So तो हम लोग हर सुबह उठ के we would just see Taj Mahal from 5 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the evening. In all the different lights and everything. जब सुबह सुबह जब fog होता है, fog में से जब वो थोड़ा सा Taj Mahal दिखता है, then sunlight starts coming, it becomes a yellow beautiful Taj Mahal. It becomes yellow that time, early in the morning. So we've seen it in that entire different lights and different phases. So it was very beautiful. And of course, working with Shreyas was a complete blessing, I would say, because he is a great actor. And to work with a great actor, you also tend to grow. So I hope, and you know, I mean, I'm sure I have grown subconsciously as an actor working with him. So
Were you a little hesitant sharing space with Shreya as
why would I be hesitant? I was excited. I was extremely happy. I was very charged up. I was like, अरे वाह, एक अच्छे एक्टर के साथ काम करने को मौका मिलेगा, सीखने को मौका मिलेगा, and absolutely that's what happened. He helped me a lot with his because मैं मराठी कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हूँ, मैं महाराष्ट्रन हूँ, लेकिन मेरी मराठी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. So and हिंदी में थोड़ा सा मराठी ट्विस्ट लाना था, जो मैं उसको सुन के I kind of picked it up, and also I know Marathi in terms of I understand Marathi very well. I can hear it and I know every word and all that. So it helped me that way. So yeah, it was fun.
This is Ajit sir's first movie as a director.
Yes.
So were you a little tough hesitant doing it because as a director he hasn't done.
No, I wasn't hesitant because Ajit ji has worked in the industry since 20 years or something, or more or less, you know, but that much. Like, he's got a long experience in the industry, and he's worked with directors like Abbas Mastan sir, Indra Kumar sir. So he's been in these camps for years, and so he's a very nice human being, and he is a very sensitive, sensible director. So it was very good fun working with them. I was never hesitant.
Okay. You have done movies in almost every language right now. मतलब Marathi you have done, of course, and
No, Marathi, my first film is being shot right now.
yeah, you're doing it basically.
Yes, I'm
And
doing it.
Kannada you have done, Telugu you have done, Tamil you have done, Bengali also.
Malayalam also.
Yeah, so many languages. So.
Yes.
So were you always comfortable with switching all to these?
I love learning new languages. I love.
How many languages you can speak right now?
I can speak, of course, Hindi, English, Marathi, little bit. Of course, I understand everything. If I'm given a line, I will know exactly how to pronounce the words and all that. So, all that I know. I can speak French. I can understand Bengali.
Okay.
I can understand Bengali. I can understand a bit of Telugu now. I mean, I could have started dubbing for Telugu, but of course, I can't form my sentences fluently. But I know words. I understand the meaning of most of the words in Telugu now. So yeah.
Do you think Taj will also boost tourism in Agra?
I don't think anything can boost the.
Will it help?
It's already like Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So I mean, it doesn't need anything extra to give it give it more tourism. But I would just hope कि, you know, every time anyone goes to watch Taj in India, whoever goes to watch Taj will always remember, हाँ एक film आई थी, वाह ताज बड़ी अच्छी film थी. I hope they'll remember it like that.
How has the journey been in Bollywood from Lok Chakra to Roklo till right now?
It's been a beautiful journey, a lot of learning, a lot of experiences. Some taught me, some were not good, some were very good. I've met some wonderful people. Like, you know, when I was in my 12th grade, when I had told my mom, Mama, I want to get into the film industry. तो मेरे सारे relatives, मम्मी पापा सब लोग बड़े परेशान हो गए थे कि I'm the only child of my parents. So they were like, इसको फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जाना है, इट इज़ नॉट अ गुड फील्ड टू गो टू, एंड इट्स लाइक इतने लोग कैसे होते हैं एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. एंड आई ऑलवेज हैड अ फीलिंग देयर इज़ अ लॉट मोर टू इट देन मीट्स द आई. एंड आई वाज लाइक, मम्मा ट्राई तो करना है बिकॉज दिस इज़ माई पैशन एंड आई विल ट्राई इट एंड ऑल्सो. एंड दे सपोर्टेड मी. बट टू माई प्लेजेंट सरप्राइज, I have met 95% wonderful, amazing, talented, passionate people in the industry. And I'm not saying it's all like fairy tale and goody goody. No, there are bad experiences. I have had bad experiences. I've met some really evil, stupid people. But that's okay, yeah. That happens everywhere. I mean, like, not just the film industry, but you go any industry, you will find good and bad people. And same with our industry. So I've had a good journey. I mean, it's been slow, but it's been progressive, I would say.
Would you love to do television sometime if the
Sorry?
Would you be interested to do television anytime in future, maybe if the project is very interesting for you or something like that?
See, I think today for an actor, there are so many platforms, like, you know, there is, so never say never. I don't know what will come my way tomorrow and it will really attract me. I might do it. I will do it probably. So there's so many things. We have television, we have films, of course, we always had these two things. We have, of course, theatre, like, since ages. Now we have web series, we have mini series, we have, sorry, my hair is falling apart. So we have mini series, we have short films. I've just done a short film which released last night, in fact, Khama Kha. So yeah, that's on YouTube. So we have so many places to go explore different stories, small, big, you know. So
One more question. You like theatres more or maybe movies? what's your first film when it comes to acting?
I haven't done enough theatre, unfortunately. I've not had the opportunity to do much of theatre. I've only done it once in school. That was my introduction to acting. I love the medium of film. It helps. I mean, like, I feel it's a very. I think acting by itself is a very creative outlet for emotions. I think it's beautiful. I love films because you don't. I mean, I don't know. It's just like even the minutest of expressions get captured. So little things, very beautifully get captured. I love cinema. I love films.
Any Bollywood actor you wish to work with, maybe superstars or anyone, whatever?
I really want to work with Hrithik Roshan, and I really want to work with Ranbir Kapoor, especially these two. And of course, we have some very talented people otherwise also. So I want to work with like good actors. I want to work with Amir Khan. And so yeah, so there are a lot of people I really want to work with.
Any movies in 2016, except Vataj also, of course, you look forward to watch?
Yes. Please watch, first of all, watch Kama Khan. It's just released, so I'm very excited about that. So right now, first watch that. That's immediate. Then watch Vataj, please, come on, 23rd of September. You'll enjoy the film. And I have a film called Baba Black Sheep coming after that. And there's also a film called Jeena Isi Ka Naam Hai. So these two, I don't know which will release first, but they're almost complete. 2016, maybe one might come, but we're still thinking of the dates and all that. So if not now, it'll come early next year. So
3 things you would like to say to your audience to go for the movie. 3 reasons to go for the
3 reasons. First of all, Vataj is a very unique, out-of-the-box script. I think, like, I'm sure you all, watch all the same kind of films all over again. But this is something new, something out of the box. So please go watch it. You will enjoy it. And there's a beautiful message in the film which will, like, you'll always be like, wow, that's what the film was all about. So you'll really enjoy the film, first of all. Please watch it for that. Secondly, like, I think the biggest reason why you should watch it is it's a good story. And because you all will enjoy it, it's entertaining. And that's what people watch movies for. It's full entertainment. It has everything. It has comedy, it has dance, it has drama, it has emotions, it has my dancing, my song Chori Chori. So please watch it.